The Epson PowerLite 585W is one of those projectors that immediately changes how you think about presentations and shared visuals. Right out of the box, it feels purposeful. Clean design, compact footprint, and a solid set of features that fit both professional and educational environments. First off, this projector delivers WXGA resolution in a 16:10 widescreen format. That extra horizontal space is more than just numbers. It gives slides, videos, and documents room to breathe. Text stays crisp, charts are readable, and colors maintain their vibrancy. That's all thanks to Epson's 3 LCD technology, which ensures balanced color and white brightness. The image never feels washed out, even in rooms that aren't completely dark. Brightness is a standout. Rated at 3,300 lumens, the 585W handles ambient light effortlessly. Open blinds? Overhead lights on? No problem. This projector ensures content remains clear and easy to read, which is a huge advantage in classrooms, offices, and conference rooms. The ultra-short throw design is where this projector really shines. It sits close to the wall or screen and projects a large, immersive image without casting distracting shadows. That means presenters can move around freely without blocking the view. It's an underrated feature that makes a huge difference in busy environments, and it instantly elevates the overall experience. Connectivity is flexible and comprehensive. HDMI, USB, VGA, and network options cover nearly every device you might need. Laptops, interactive whiteboards, or training systems integrate easily. A built-in speaker provides decent audio for smaller spaces, so you don't always need extra sound equipment. Setup is streamlined. Keystone correction, alignment tools, and simple wall or ceiling mounting options let you get everything squared up quickly. Once installed, it's stable and unobtrusive. And with energy-efficient lamps designed for long life, maintenance and operating costs remain low. The Epson 585W isn't just about numbers. It's about making visuals more effective. Presentations feel sharper, lessons become more engaging, and video content is more immersive. It's a practical upgrade that improves communication in any professional or educational environment. This projector balances brightness, clarity, and convenience in a way that makes it feel like more than just a display device. Whether it's for a teacher, business professional, or someone who needs reliable projection in smaller spaces, it delivers consistent results. It's straightforward, dependable, and designed to work. If you're looking for a projector that combines performance with ease of use and is suitable for modern spaces, the Epson PowerLite 585W is a strong option. Check the link in the description to learn more or get one for yourself.